In this crypto video, we will do the technical analysis of Titano Finance, and what I can say by seeing the current market condition and the review of Titano Finance, 85% sell and 15% buy will be the greater beneficial for you. 85% sell and 15% buy of Titano cryptocurrency coin will be a greater beneficial for you. You can see here market rank is 5749, which can go to 5741 according to expert in the near future. And if I talk about trading volume in 24 hours, this coin has increased with 87.80% with a price of $1830. This is the video related to Titano Finance. And one more thing, that 85% sell, 25%, 15% will be greater beneficial for you. I am not saying you to do this. I am suggesting my opinion that according to the current market condition, it will be helpful for you. But if you want, you can invest it by yourself and you can do your own research. Before investing, always do your own research, because I am not a financial advisor. This is the video related to Titano cryptocurrency, Titano coin, technical analysis of Titano. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. If you want to check any chart, come in coin market cap and you can check any current price of any crypto. Or if you want to check any chart, you can go at intertradingview.com. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.